Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. As you guys can read by the title, I am here for another unboxing. If you did not check out my Telfar unboxing, definitely go check it out. I will link it in the cards up here, but go check it out. We are doing a week long of content, like we just throwing content out here this week. We got YouTube videos, we have IGTV videos, we have blog posts, we have content coming out the ass. So definitely stay up to date and yeah, stay with it. But as you guys can read by the title, like I said, we're here for another unboxing video, unboxing haul of a bag, another bag that I had on my wish list, like the Telfar bag. This is a bag that I have been wanting for a long time. It is the Jacquemus Chiquito mini bag, the little tiny bags. I've been wanting one for so long. I'm excited to show you guys. I'm excited to talk about it. Let's get into this video. I'm excited. Alright, so Jacquemus started his fashion career in 2009 and he is killing the game. Like, he is killing the game. Before we get into the unboxing, I just want to say how he is killing the game. Like, he is one of the hottest designers right now. He's definitely one of my favorite designers right now. He is added to the list of one of my favorite designers right now. Like, he just had his recent collection a couple days ago, and again, another beautiful collection. Like, his attention to detailing, his creative direction, the scenery, the looks, like, is just always spot on. And the locations that his whole team and him chooses for these runway shows are always impeccable. Like, this one was like in the middle of nowhere and in like nature, and I just love it. He had another collection like that previously. His collections, his scenery, the locations are always bomb. Like, Jacquemus, you be killing the game with that. So definitely, like I said, one of my favorite designers right now. He has clothes, he has shoes, he has jackets, he has blazers, he has color, he has tan. It's a mixture of everything. He has a lot of like bland tans and khakis, but he also has colors. So he has a little bit of everything that you would like. And again, versatility. I love it. I love it. I'm here for it. And he has men's and he has women's, and he's really killing the game right now. But one of his major moments in fashion was the little mini bags that he dropped. It was definitely the talk of the town. Everybody was talking about them. What you fitting in there? What's gonna be in there? What can you put in there? Oh my God, like, it was the talk of the town. Everybody wanted one. A lot of people talked about it. Bad, good, a mixture of everything. And I was one of them that was talking good, and I've been wanting one for a while. And of course, I have my story. We're gonna get into it. Definitely, I already have the bag here, but I'm gonna insert the clip of me actually unboxing it. So let's go to that clip. Guys, so I finally got my Jacquemus bag. I'm about to open it. I'm super excited. Like, Essence is amazing. Let me tell you, I ordered this on Sunday. It shipped on Monday, and I got it on Tuesday. And now today's Thursday. I'm gonna open it. I was gonna literally wait until my birthday next month because this is like one of my birthday gifts that I bought for myself. But I was like, let me open this box because I'm gonna be tight if I wait a whole month and the bag is not even in here or something is wrong with the bag. So let me open it and make sure. now that you watched the clip of me actually unboxing it, let's get into the story. One day I randomly went on Essence, SSENSE, and they were having their sale. And this bag was not on sale because I had it in my wish list. It was not on sale at all. But one day I randomly just went on Essence. Something told me go on. And this bag went down. Let's look at the price. It went down to $328. From $504 to $328. And then with tax and because it was free shipping. So with tax, it came up to $357.11. From Essence, I got the Jacquemus Le Chiquito. This is the dust bag. So cute. I'm so happy to have this in my possession. Like, I've been wanting this bag for so long. But like I said, that price, like, I was so happy. $504 to $357, like, that something told me to go on. And then the next day, guys, the next day when I went on Essence, it went back up to the regular price of $504. Like, it was meant for me to get the sale price. So I'm excited. I'm happy to have this in my collection. My first Jacquemus piece in my collection, because I definitely plan on getting, I want another bag. I want the bigger one, the Le Grand Chiquito. And then I also want some clothing because he has some bomb clothing pieces. If you don't know, he is French. So yeah, he's French if you didn't know. But this is the bag. Ah, look how cute it is, guys. So freaking cute. It has the Jacquemus name in gold. I got the white one, as you guys can see. We have this luxurious top handle. Look at the detailing of this top handle. Oh, it just looks like milk. Ooh, it is so bomb. Like, the detailing, the construction, it is well made. This is a well made product. Look at it. Gold on the side. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this bag. And then we open it like so. So when you open it, it goes down like this. And then inside I have the receipts because I wore this once a couple days ago. And yes, we have the receipt. And then inside, where you have the gold here, I have to take off this little thing right here. So when you peel it off, it's gold. Like, it's only wear one, so I didn't take this off yet. But you open it right here. It has, again, the snap top, like the Telfar bag, the same snap. And then we open it here. And then right here, it has Jacquemus right here on the little label inside. And then this is how it looks inside. Cute, mini. It looks small, but it actually fits quite a bit. I held my cards, my debit, my credit, my business card, some cash, and my AirPods all fit in here. So I think that's good. I think that's cute or whatever. And I think I got a good price. Some people might think $357 is still a lot for this mini bag, but I thought it was bomb, and it's definitely worth it. I love it. It's such a cute accessory to add to your wardrobe. Even if you're not wearing it for like bag purposes, just for styling purposes, this is cute. And then we have the handle. It does come with the strap. Of course, the strap is white to match. We have the adjustable hooks so you can adjust it. And then we have the hook so you can hook it in. It says Jacquemus on it. As you guys can see, if this focuses, you can see on the gold it says it. And then yeah, you hook it onto the side like so. So let's do that right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hook it onto the side like so, and then you hook it. You could put it around you, could put it around your waist, you could put it like a chain, whatever floats your boat, whatever you want to do. It's so cute. I'm so happy I have this in my possession, guys. You don't know, I kept looking at it like, is this really mine? Like, I'm so happy. Definitely a piece that I wanted. And of course, like I said, there will be many more Jacquemus pieces coming soon, because I see some clothing items that I want and I will be adding to my collection very soon. I'm excited. I'm excited. What are you fitting in there? Anything. Your life. Like, your mind. This is your mind. Your thoughts. Penny for your thought. This is my thoughts in here. I'm carrying my thoughts with me, okay? So yeah, guys, that is it for this unboxing haul. If you enjoyed it, you already know, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the bag. Do you have one? Do you want one? What do you think? Let me know. And definitely subscribe to the channel if you would like. Hit that subscribe button. And definitely follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Twitter and my Instagram. And check out my blog, www.briavankooten.com. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, deuces.